Yeah, regarding the Docker components, one, we have a Docker client, we have a Docker daemon, that also called the Docker engine, that also called the Docker server. Okay, so don't be confused in this point too. Then we have the Docker hub. We have another point that nobody tells here, Docker compose. Okay, so these are the points that we have in the Docker components. Means all these points helping us to do the workflow, to do the uh, deploy of your applications, to create your container. Okay, so all these things, all these components we have in this architecture, but I did not mention all the things, and all these have several separate functions. They work together, and finally they give you the applications. Oh, I think we should start a discussion of the components and other parts, like some advantage, disadvantage, that we can cover the next section. Right. Now, you what you get from today's sessions. We will close the session in 5 minutes. Just I am reviewing the things we just did today session. That is, we cover the container parts. Okay, container disadvantage part, container and the VM difference. What is the difference? Containers and VM, and we just go through the Docker workflow, how the Docker works for the container to create or build your applications, how the Docker registry help here. It is very
फ्लैश लाइट
important.
मारता हूँ, फोटो साफ नहीं आती है। फ्लैश लाइट से फोटो अच्छी आती है, मैं वो नहीं, गलत आ रही है।
Can you please mute yourself? So in this architecture, Docker Hub, the registry has significance has a very significant performance here. They it it this point providing uh very good images, or it's holding the updated images. So it has a very good significance in this architecture, right? And how we can convert, we can update the Docker images. Okay, here just I want to mention one thing. I already uh, I already said many times. You can convert Docker image to container. Means you can create that Docker image to container. Even you can convert container to images. You understood this point, right?
For that, we are using any specific tool, or we can use through CLI,
For what?
like Linux, for this
For
conversion, Docker image to
no,
container
no,
and
no, no,
container
no.
to.
It is a mechanism. It helps your Docker container. Okay, sorry. It helps your Docker engine for that conversion. It helps Docker engine.
Okay.
Okay, Docker server just uh, just doing this job for you. It's converting the
Okay.
content. It's converting the images and making your container, building your container. Okay. Now here my point is my point is image is your template. You tem template. You cannot change, edit, modify the image. Note that. container can be modified, can be changed. Please try to understand these 2 points because it will help through your Kubernetes journey. Image is a template. You cannot change that. Suppose I received one image that is V1. We cannot change that image. Yeah, we can develop I2, but before that we have to convert the image to container. Then we can develop that. Then we can change. Then we can modify that. And through that container, again we will develop that image. Means I received I1 image. I convert to that image in container. Then I develop the container. What I need to change, modify, I do that. Then again I convert to that container to image and push to registry, push to Docker Hub, and that image is image 2. But we can't change image. So that is another important point to note. Please keep in mind these 2 points. So guys, today up to this, we will tomorrow discuss about these components of the Docker and their functionality, how they can help us. And you guys, if interested to do the lab, to do the hands-on, then that's very good. So I will show the lab here, how we can generate the image, how we can search the image, how we can pull the image. Okay, all these things I will show if you have interest. Okay, guys.
Tomorrow we have class, or we can go with weekend. Say Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, of course. Saturday, Sunday will again meet. Huh?
No, tomorrow is there any classes or tomorrow?
No, no, no. That is weekend classes. That is weekend
Okay.
classes. Okay, so we'll meet again Saturday. Next Saturday. What is the date? Next Saturday is coming. Next Saturday is coming. 21.
21.
So
21.
yeah, be ready for 21. And I request guys, please join on time. Okay, because few people just join on time, and we have to wait for 5 to 7 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes for others guys. So any queries? Anything you want to add? Your input? Anyone?
No, Nandan. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
So we can close the
Thank you for
session
the
now.
day. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
thank you for this session.
Okay, great.
And
Thanks.
we
Okay.
okay.